Okay guys, hello. My name is Kathleen again. I'm in my car. I'm sorry about that. But I did my project over response to intervention RTI. So what is it is the first thing, and I said it's a multi-tier approach to the early identification and support of students with learning and behavior needs. The next thing on my I did a mural, so, well, I'll show you this, but I used Canva to make it. I really like using Canva, so if any of y'all haven't tried it, you really should. I mean, it's like one of my favorite things to use if I was to make a poster or like a flyer for a classroom, something like that. But okay, so what is response to intervention? It's a multi-tier approach to the early identification and support of students with learning and behavior needs. How does response to intervention look? So what I've done this whole time is just picture RTI as a pyramid. It's divided into 3 sections: a base, a middle, and a top. These sections are called Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3. So let's go over the tiers now. In Tier 1, this is the base section of the pyramid. It's the primary level of intervention. About 80% of students are in this tier, and they just use common teaching strategies and teaching skills in this tier. So Tier 2 is in the middle of the pyramid. It's the secondary level of prevention. The intervention becomes more intense at this stage because they are more at-risk students. So you need to do a few more things with them or work with them more on certain things that they need help with. About 15% of students are in this section. And then Tier 3, it's at the top of the pyramid. The students receive the most intense intervention at this stage if they're in that tier. It also involves the most constant intervention, so they'll be working on stuff a lot throughout this class, or however the school decides to do response RTI. And then about 5% of students are in this tier. So that is just like a little look about what RTI looks like and what to expect from it, and what different tiers and what different types of students that you'll have in this class. Also, in Tier 3, there can be special ed or special needs students in these classes, but in the Tier 3, there will also just be regular classroom students that are in this as well, not just special ed. So, and I will put a link or a little picture of my Canva poster that I made so that y'all can take a look at it. But that's it.